Oh, yes. Yes. I'm back again on my channel. I'm back again on my podcast. I'm back again on my page. YouTube channel, YouTube page. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking this video. Yes, you saw the video title. What makes the rand so powerful? Why is the South African rand so powerful? Why is the South African rand so strong like this? So I want to address and speak about that in this video right now. A lot of people have been wondering, a lot of people have been confusing themselves, or they get confused when it comes to South African rand, this currency in the Republic of South Africa. Why is it so powerful? Why is it so strong like this? Why is it so important like this? You understand? So I want to address that in this video right now. So there are a lot of factors, there are a lot of reasons that makes the rand so powerful, a lot of factors that are behind that to make the rand so strong, to make the rand so powerful. I've heard a lot of people talking about this, a lot of people stressing themselves, some even getting frustrated as to why is this currency so great like this? Why is this currency so powerful, so strong like this? Factor number one, South Africa is a country created by God. This country has got a lot of gold resources. I'm talking about this precious mineral that you find in the soil, that you find in the land by the name gold. South Africa has got plenty of gold resources that are buried in the land, buried in the soil, deep in the ground. So there's a direct relationship, or there's a direct connection between the gold resources and this currency by the name South African rand. So if you study macroeconomics and a bit of microeconomics within the academic discipline of economics, so economically speaking, there's a relationship or a connection between the gold resources of South Africa and this currency rand. So this is one of the greatest factors that makes it so powerful. There are a lot of gold resources in South Africa. And South Africa as a country, as a nation, they export a lot of gold to other countries. USA, UK, United Arab Emirates, in Dubai, and other countries in Europe, even in Asia. So by so doing, they get a lot of money to come back into South Africa and stabilize the currency, make it strong, make it powerful, make it very operational, make it very functional. So fact number one that I want to explain to you, so that you won't be confused anymore, you won't be disturbed anymore as to why is this currency so strong in Africa? One of the best currencies in Africa, one of the strongest or powerful currencies in Africa. Why? I'm explaining to you now how it works, how it operates, just on a simple level, on a basic level. So we're talking about gold resources. So South Africa, they export a lot of gold to other countries and come back uh, and stabilize the currency. So of course the currency can fluctuate here and there. This year, that month, or that time can fluctuate, going higher or going lower. But basically speaking, this is why you see the rand is always powerful, because of gold resources that are always exported to other countries and come back with the money, come back with the proceeds to South Africa and stabilize that currency to avoid all these fluctuations, going up, going down, going higher, going lower. Factor number two, besides gold resource, there are also other mineral resources in South Africa. A lot of mineral resources. Talk of platinum, uranium. You understand? Talk about diamond, platinum, uranium, copper, silver. A bunch of many mineral resources, precious minerals that God bless South Africa with. They are deep in the ground, deep in the land, in the soil. That's why you see there are a lot of mining companies, mining conglomerates, mining businesses, or mining individuals who are busy trapping, busy extracting these minerals from the land, from the soil, the from the ground for a long time, from the 16th, 17th century, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, and now in the 21st century. So there are a lot of minerals in South Africa. And This country, they export a lot of these minerals to other countries, exporting a lot of these minerals, copper, tin, uranium, platinum, diamond to other countries, USA, UK, all the countries in Europe, Asia, even some of the countries like New Zealand, Australia, Canada, Mexico, and other Latin American countries. So South Africa is a highly exporting country when it comes to their minerals, when it comes to their mineral resources, like the way I've explained. So it's another factor, number two, that makes this rand so strong, so competitive in the foreign exchange market, so powerful, very much functional and operational in the economy, either domestic economy or even the international economy. Right. Factor number three, right now, South Africa has got one of the best democracies in the world, a very stable, working, functional, operational democracy in the world, and, and one of the best in Africa, if not the best democracy in Africa. So it's rare to hear about political instability in South Africa or political noises, political commotions, political pandemonium in South Africa. It's rare to hear about that. So if you got a stable democracy, there's a relationship between a stable democracy and operational functional democracy and the power of your currency and the value of your currency and the strength of your currency. There's a direct connection, your currency and your democracy. So South Africa is a country. They've one of the best democracies. They've one of the most highly functional, highly operational democracies in Africa, if not in the whole world. So in terms of the currency, this makes it possible for the currency to be always stable, for the currency rand to be always stable, to be always functional, to be always operational, to be always strong and powerful every time, every day, every month, every year. Because their political democracy is stable, or their democracy in general is stable in their country, in their nation. You understand? So there's a relationship between a democracy that is available in a country and the power of their currency and the value of their currency or the strength of their currency or how their currency operates, how their currency functions within their domestic economy or national economy. So all these are some of the factors that make the rand so powerful, that makes the rand so strong, the way I've explained, the way I've explained. Then factor number four that I may want to maybe to add, what makes the rand so powerful, so strong. Their economy is very good. Generally speaking, their economy is always good. Or their economy, South African economy, has been always good. Even during the days of the apartheid regime, during the days of the apartheid regime, their economy, South African economy, has been always good. So in terms of economic performance, everything has been working very well for South Africa. Everything has been fine, good for South Africa. So there's a relationship again between the performance of the economy, domestic economy, national economy, and the currency, value of the currency, strength of the currency, or power of the currency, purchasing power of the currency. There's a direct relationship, a direct connection. If your economy is performing bad, it affects the value of your currency. If your economy is not working good, if your economy is not functioning, operating, working very good, it affects negatively the power of your currency, the value of your currency, the strength of your currency, the vibrancy of your currency. So the economy of South Africa, as long as I can remember, as long as I can recall, has been functioning, working very good, operating very good for a very long time. Like I said, even from the days of the apartheid regime, during the time of the British colonization, British imperialism in South Africa, the economy has been very good. Now, when they transitioned, when they shifted to a democracy, starting with the Nelson Mandela as the president, now connecting to Thabo Mbeki and Kgalema Motlanthe, and now to Jacob Zuma, and connecting to Ramaphosa, all these presidents, no matter the sitting president at whatever particular point in time, their economy has been always good. So whether it was Mandela or Mbeki or Kgalema Motlanthe or Jacob Zuma or Cyril Ramaphosa, no matter the president sitting on that seat as the president, running and presiding over that country, their economy has been very good. So economic performance, economic strength, economic power, you understand? Economic vibrancy, something of this nature, something of this sort, has got a direct connection, direct relationship with the value of the currency called rand, the power of the currency called rand, the vibrancy of the functionality of the currency by the name rand. So I can give you 4 points right now, 4 factors that makes the rand so powerful, that makes the rand so good, so hot. You understand? So this is the national currency of this country, Republic of South Africa. So I spoke about gold exports, gold resources. Then I spoke about other mineral resources, diamond or platinum or silver or uranium, and even tin, copper. Then I spoke about stable democracy. And finally, I spoke about the issue of the economic power, economic performance. All these factors, when they are bound together, when they are combined together, they make the rand so powerful. The factor of gold resources and other mineral resources, diamond, tin, copper, uranium, platinum, and the factor of stable democracy and the factor of uh, economic performance, when put them together in one place, bind them together, combine them together, all this, they'll give a total effect, which makes the rand so powerful, so strong, so very operational, functional in the domestic economy. And it also becomes a dominant force, a predominant force, even in the international economy. When you talk about international foreign exchange rate, South African currency, rand, is a very powerful currency, even in the international arena, international space, in the foreign exchange market, It's a dominant force, very competitive, very powerful, so strong, very, very good. Right. So this is my video as to what makes the rand so powerful, what makes the rand so strong, what makes the South African rand very competitive, so strong, so powerful in Africa, in their country, even at an international level, even at a global level. I've explained. If you've got any comments, if you've got anything to say, write or type in the comment box. I'm done talking about South African rand and why it is so powerful, why it is so strong, why is it so predominant like this in South Africa, in Africa, in the international world, at a global level, at an international level. I've explained gold exports, other mineral exports, stable democracy. They have a very powerful economic performance that comes or stems from the economy. All these factors, when they combine together, when they are put together, they give a total effect, which makes the rand so powerful, strong, very operational, with a lot of functionality in the domestic economy of South Africa, as well as in the international arena, international space. See you in the next video. Peace out. Sharp.